Are you experiencing difficulties with your Xbox party's audio? You're not alone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through resolving the issue where the sound is only audible when the Xbox game bar is active. Once the game bar disappears from your screen, the audio vanishes too. But fret not, as I'll walk you through the steps to remedy this problem. Firstly, to open the Xbox game bar, simultaneously press the Windows key and G on your keyboard. Once it's up and running, navigate to the Xbox Party section. Within the Xbox Party interface, locate the Pin option at the top. Clicking on this will ensure that even when the game bar is minimized or closed, the audio will continue to function. To unpin the Xbox Party, simply reopen the Xbox game bar and deselect the Pin option. If the issue persists, head to Windows Settings and find the Xbox game bar under Apps and Features. Click on the three dots next to the Xbox game bar if you're on Windows 11, or simply click on it for Windows 10 users. Then, select Advanced Options. Here, you have a few troubleshooting options. First, try terminating the Xbox game bar and relaunching it. If that doesn't work, attempt to repair it. If the problem persists, consider resetting the Xbox game bar altogether. If all else fails, utilize the workaround of pinning the Xbox Party while it's active. This ensures that the audio remains consistent, regardless of the game bar's status. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Xbox Party sound issue. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.